Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Pipi Organic. Big cold today and I decided to make my favorite glow oil. This oil is very good for dry skin and can be used during the dry season or during the winter time. This oil will help glow your skin and keep your skin moisturized. Guys, join me till the end of this video. Subscribe, hit on the bell button below so you can be updated with every new video I make, and give this video a like. For this fabulous mixture, I'll be needing 1 tablespoon of pigment dough, which is derived from paprika, 1 tablespoon of shenic oil. This is also very good for the skin. Another tablespoon of beauties oil. This oil helps to glow your skin, giving it that shiny look, especially during the winter time or during the dry season. To this mixture, I'll also be adding 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is very good for the skin. It helps to calm redness. This can also be used to treat acne or skin irritation. Also add 1 tablespoon of kenacol oil. This recipe, guys, will never be complete without collagen. Collagen helps to fight against anti-aging, wrinkles, and it's really good for glowing the skin and also for clearing stretch marks, acne on the face. I'll also be adding ½ tablespoon of turmeric oil. This is very good for the skin. It helps to lighten and brighten your skin, giving it that glow and shiny look. To the mixture, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of skin-free milk. This can also be added into your lotion. It's very good for glowing and brightening the skin. And I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of my homemade carrot oil. Check the link in the description below for how you can make your carrot oil at home. Add ½ tablespoon of vitamin E oil, which is filled with antioxidants. It helps to highly moisturize your skin. I'll also be adding into the mixture 1 tablespoon of glutathione oil, or you could also use glutathione serum as an option. Add ½ tablespoon of jojoba essential oil and a pinch of miracle powder to your mixture. And that's it, guys. Mix very well together in a bowl. This oil could be used as a night oil. Use every night for 2 weeks and you'll start noticing a difference in your skin. You can use your normal lotion or body cream in the morning and this oil for the night time. This oil is highly recommended, mostly in the winter time or during the dry season. Guys, enjoy this oil. After mixing, get a clean sterilized container and turn your mixture using a funnel. At this point, guys, you could add your fragrance or preservatives. Looking forward to positive feedback from my beautiful viewers. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, share to friends and family.